giving you some questions that involve percentages. I believe we dealt with percentages before.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll be giving you some questions to look at so that you can solve them.
Yes, sir.
You will solve through. But if you can, look at it together. Is that taken by you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so ready now. I'll be sharing the screen with you right away so that you can understand. So today we'll be looking at word problems on percentages. Word problems on percentage. But before I go on with the questions, let me ask you a few questions. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
What do I mean if I say 20% of something is 1? What does that mean? Or let me say it this way, that if 20% of something is 1, what is the total thing?
If 20% of something is 1,
Yes, what is the total of it?
it's 100%.
100%? No. So that means you are saying if somebody scored a certain mark and that person scored 1, and I said that 1 is 20% of the total mark. So you are saying the total mark is 100?
Life is not about competition, but living.
20% is 1.
Let me ask you again. Let me ask you a question again this way. If a student writes a test, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
If a student writes a test and scored 1, and I said that 1, that the student just scored 20% of the total mark. So what is the total mark? How can you get that?
Is 100% minus that mark.
So what is the total mark?
80.
8.
I just if 80%.
Okay, listen. Let me give you in a simpler form. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
If you write a test and you score 20, and I said you have scored 50% of the mark, so what is the total mark?
It's 100%.
Repeat my question.
You said if person have picked test and score 50%, what is the total mark? Then just check that score 50%.
What is the score that I said you score? What is the score that I say you have?
50%.
No. Listen again. If you write a test and you score 20, and I confronted you and said, why? You have just scored 50%. What happens to the rest? Okay, my question is now that what is the total mark of the test?
It's a total of 100.
Okay.
You have scored 50.
Are you done? Are you done now?
Yes,
Okay, listen.
yes, sir.
Listen. There's a concept I want you to learn now. the concept of percentage. How do you refer to percentage in ordinary word without using number? Listen carefully. 50% of your food is half of your food. Are you with me? Are you
Yes, sir.
listening? Okay, very good.
Yes.
So 50% of your pocket money is half of your money. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you score 20% in a test, 20 marks in a test, and I confronted you, I said, why did you score 50% of the test? So, what's your score anyway?
Score is 40%.
You are just mixing up things in your mind. I said you scored 20. Are you with me?
Yes,
So
sir.
I now ask you again, I said, what's your score? You are giving me 40. So,
I said 20 to first time, then the total.
In all that you do, you don't have to be envious.
are you ready now?
Sir?
Now,
Yes, sir.
if you write a test, you score 20 marks. And I said you have just scored 50% of the whole mark. So now, what is total mark?
40%.
Did I say 40%?
You said what is the total mark?
So must the total mark be in percentage?
Sorry, 40.
You're minding what you're doing. So 40 is total mark. That means you have scored 20 out of 40. That's what makes me to say you scored 40. That you scored 50%. Is that not so?
Yes, sir.
Now, if somebody scored 1 in a test, just 1, and I said the person has scored 50% of the total mark. So what is the total mark?
2.
Okay. If somebody now scored 1 in another test, and I said the person has just scored 50%, 20% of the total mark now. So what is the total mark for that test? Person scored 1, and I said he has scored 20% of total mark. So what is the total mark of that?
Let us therefore be content with what we have.
5.
That is very good. That was the initial question I asked you. Yes or no?
It's a
Yes, sir.
So I want your mind to be in this so that you can have the concept of, percent means this. 100% of 80 is 80. 50% of 80 is 40. Are you with me? Did you hear that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So I will bring you one question now that you're going to look at to test your knowledge on percentage of the thing. So I have the first question here. It says, out of a salary of $4,500, I kept 1/3 as savings. Let me put it here. Out of a salary of $4,500, I kept 1/3 as savings. Out of the remaining money, please don't write anything. Out of the remaining money, I spent 50% on food and 20% on house rent. How much do I spend on food and house rent? So work that out and tell me your answer. You have 5 minutes.
White
Yes, go ahead.
Oh,
If you envy your brother, what do you stand to gain?
yes, me. I kept one. I kept 1/3 as savings. Out of the remaining money, I spent 50% on food and 20. That's 30%. From there. 30% from there. Then.
Mother,
You have 4 minutes now.
it led to mother.
I was absolutely so.
Anything.
You should use one. Efficient.
Be yourself. Just be yourself.
Someone now is already in office. 105. No, I started just like this.
You have 3 minutes more. I think there is noise around you. A signal to them.
Message for you. Life is not about competition of living. You gotta wake up, gotta live according to your will.
You have 1 minute more. 1 minute to go. Somebody is making noise so loud around you.
Let us therefore be content with what we are. Contentment. Godliness with contentment is a great game. Never envy your brother.
So round up your work now.
Envy your sister. Never envy your friend. Never envy your neighbor. Be a brother's keeper. Be a brother's help. Be a sister's keeper. Be a sister's friend. Be a brother's keeper. Be a brother's friend. Never envy can lead to murder.
Are you through now?
Envy can lead to killings.
No, sir.
Or you are confused on what to do? I didn't get that.
Sound confused.
You're confused on what to do, okay? So, we'll look at it together now. So, do you understand what the question says? Yes, I'm waiting. Tracy, do you understand what the question asks you to do? Or do you understand the question at all?
The teacher asked me to find the money of the house rent that I spent on
The one spent on food and spent on house rent. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
So, how much is the total salary? Yes. Total salary is 4,500. So this is the total salary. And out of the total salary, I kept 1/3 as savings. So
Just be yourself.
Solution.
In all that you do, you don't have to be
1/3 as savings. 1/3 of what? Of 4,500. And that is 3 year 1, 3 year 15. That is 1,500 times 1. That will give me $1,500 kept as savings. Kept savings. So 1,500 dollars was kept as savings. So here now remains how much? Which is $3,000. That is 4,500 minus 1,500, and that is $3,000. Now, out of $3,000, I spent 50% on food. That means I spent half of it on food. So 50% on food means half of 3,000. And that is $1,500 on food. Then I spent 20% of the of the 3,000 on house rent. So 20% on house rent. So this means 20% of 3,000 times 3,000. If 20 cut 20, I have 2 times 2 is 6. Then 0 zeros that are remaining. That's going to be $600. Let me on. That's going to be $600. $600. So I've solved the question right now. This is on food. This is on rent. So that is how to tackle such question. Tracy, are you there now? If you're not there, you can try to join while I bring up another question to look at. So the second question says, a certain school has 120 teachers. If this constitutes 30% of its workforce, find the number of employees in the school. Okay, Tracy is trying to join back now. Let's hope she connects on time so that I'm going to tell her, just to explain to her then. I will move to the next question like I said. Tracy, can you hear me now? Tracy, can you hear me now? Are you hearing me now? So I'll be moving to the second question very soon. Okay, let me go over the second question straight away. So question 2, first question. A certain school has 120 teachers, and this makes up 30% of the total workforce. So you have to find the number of employees. And this is also simple, like the previous one. Which is fine, join back. So in an attempt to do this, I think that so in an attempt to do this, I'm going to look for 30% of the total population of the workforce of the school. So that means 30% of the workforce W is the number of teachers, and that is 120. So I need to know total workforce. Obviously 80%, 70% should be the remaining. So 30% is 120. That means 30 all over 100 times the workforce is 120. A zero cuts down a zero here. 3W. 3W over 10 was 120. Then you can cross multiply, or if I don't want to cross multiply, I can use other means, especially multiply both sides by 10 because of the 10 downwards here. Multiply by 10, this 10 cancels this 10, remain 3W. 3W equal to 120 times 10. Then I divide both sides by 3. 3, 3, and 3 cancel 3. Then I have the workforce known here to this. So 3L1, 3 into 12 is 4. That is 40 times 10. And that means we have 400 in the school. So Tracy, are you there now? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, speak up and let me know before I round up this session, and I will give you another link for one other question as we move. So can you hear me now, Tracy? Okay, while you're still trying to connect, let me see if I can call up one more question. Okay, this says, Rachel got 94 marks in her exams. These marks are 47% of the total marks. So find the maximum number of marks obtainable in the exam. So let's see how this works. See how this works. So Tracy, try to join with your audio and video so that you can hear me as I want. Try to join with your audio and video. Yes, let's see. Try and put her in the waiting room so that she can join. So there it goes. Let me see if she's able to join, then we'll get another question. Question 3. Here is question 3. Rachel got 4 marks in her exam, and this 94 happens to be 47% of the total marks. So you have to find the maximum marks. So in that regard, I've been given that 47% of the total mark is 94 marks. So 47% of the unknown total marks M equal to 94. Let's find it. That is 47 over 100 times the unknown mark equals to 94%. 94 marks. So here I can multiply both sides by 100. So 100 times 100. So 100 cancels 100 here. 47 and goes to 94 100. So I divide both sides by 47. And I divide both sides by 47. 7 cancels 47 here. I can have what is 9400 divided by 47. That is 9400 divided by 47, and that's gonna give me 200. It's gonna give me 200. Just say 7 here. 47 in 94 is 2. That means total mark is 200 marks. So that is where this class is going to be coming to an end right now, and going to be giving our link for English class. So can you hear me now? Okay, so you were not able to hear before, but I want to believe you will get the explanation through the video. But before the English class, are you with me? Are you?
Yes, sir.
I will round up this class now. I will send you another link for mathematics again to look at one more question, okay?
Okay, sir.
So that after then, I can now send you the link for English class. So just stay tuned as I take this off here.
Let us therefore be content with what we are.
I'm going to give you one question to look at now, or we can look at it together. Still on percentages, what problems involve percentage. So let's see how it goes as I solve this. So here's the question. The question says, a tank. Okay, read the question, let me hear it.
A tank can hold 50 liters of water at percent. It is only 30% full. How many liters of water how many liters of water shall I put in the tank so that it is 50% full?
Is that a giraffe talking loudly like that, or?
No.
Oh.
Sorry, sir.
No, you don't have to mute yourself because I need to hear. So don't bother about me. I was hearing the loud noise. So can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so a tank can hold 50 liters of water. At present, only holding 30% full. So it's only 30% full. How many liters shall I put in the tank to
If
Cool.
you envy your
So,
brother, what you stand to gain?
you know what to do.
Is
If you envy,
15%.
your sister, what
Or
do
do
you
you
stand
mean
to gain?
15%? Where did you say 15%?
Tank hold 50 liters of water at percent.
At
It
what?
only
At
percent,
present.
which means it's 1.
At present, it's only what?
It's only 30%.
Yes, yes. Okay, solve it and tell me your answer.
Envy doesn't profit any man anything.
Someone's confusing now. Wait a
Don't
minute.
envy, don't envy, don't envy, don't envy, don't envy your brother.
Okay, this is just the percent. It's only 30.
Don't envy your friend. Don't envy anyone. Be yourself. Just be yourself. In all that you do,
Total,
to be
are you
envious.
listening?
Yeah.
So total
Yes,
capacity
sir.
of the tank is 50 liters.
Envy, oh my God.
What is half capacity?
Envy, go my son. Envy, no. Envy,
25 liters.
can lead to murder.
Service. But at present,
It is envy that make you hate your neighbor.
it is what? 30%, right? 30% of what?
Yes, sir.
Of what?
I come with the
30% of
message
50
for you.
liters. Or 50 liters. You will.
Life is not about competition but living.
So that means at present
You
it holds
gotta
15
wake up
liters of
every
water.
day according
I
to
want
you.
to make it I want to make it 25 liters,
Godliness with contentment.
which is what?
It's a great game, it's a great game, it's a great game, it's a great game.
50% full.
It's a great game.
So I will add 25
Let us therefore be
minus what
content
is there
with what
presently
we are.
equal to
Contentment.
10 liters.
Godliness with contentment is a
Is that
great
taken?
game.
Yes, sir.
So how many liters am I to add to the tank so that I can be 50% full?
Never envy your brother.
And when I add 10
I say
liters,
never
what will be the
envy your
total that
sister.
is in it?
Never envy your friend. Never
So
envy your neighbor.
No.
Be a
I said
brother's
if I
keeper.
had 10
Be a
liters,
brother's
what
help.
is the total
Be a
liters in it?
sister's keeper. Be a sister's friend. Be a brother's keeper. Be a brother's friend. Never envy can lead to murder.
That'll be what?
Envy
To be-
can lead to killings. Never envy.
40%.
Envy can lead to murder. Never envy. Envy can lead to killing. Never envy. Envy can lead to
To be
hatred.
what?
Never envy.
It will not be
Never envy.
50%.
Never envy.
50%.
It will be how many liters? Crazy. Anyway, that is 25 liters. Because it has 15
That's all
liters,
of it.
it has 15 liters, and when I add 10 liters, it becomes 25 liters. So, we're going to be rounding up then in the next 10 minutes, we'll link for so this is my good. I'm waiting.
Christian too.